Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a Delta flight receipt. Now, you can get these receipts for your past travels emailed to you, of course, via delta.com, okay? So you go to delta.com, select My Trips, you'll find it at the top of the page. Okay, here, select My Trips when you're logged in, and just type the first name, last name, and confirmation number, and then go ahead and click on search, and then scroll down to payment details and click on email receipt. Enter the email address and click on submit. Okay. And you can also access the historical ticket, baggage receipts, and receipts for all the purchases made through Delta.com from the past 24 months. You can access all of these through Delta.com using the My Receipts feature. Okay. Really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.